Thegitstwins family,
How are you?
how you doing?
Hope you're good.
Yes, hope you're good and doing great.
Yeah, because on our side tuko poa,
tuko poa
kabisa.
Tunajinaua.
Yeah. So guys, kama we ni mgeni hapa,
if you're a guest to this channel,
karibu sana.
Yes, karibu
And
sana.
if you have been keeping up with the Thegitstwins, welcome to, and keep up with the same spirit.
Yes.
And
And our culture in this channel is just go and subscribe.
yeah,
You
hit
like
that-
our videos?
Yes. Hit that red button called subscription there.
Yes, and share our videos.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Simple.
So look guys, tuko na vitu
Moto.
moto. And as you can see, we are all glowing.
Yeah, we are all glam up.
Yes.
Courtesy to the
Thegitstwins. So kaujai wamefanya like something
Full
like
face.
this. Yes, full face.
Now ndo sisi.
Tunajiringa.
Sisi hapa.
Yeah, so guys, it's all about this. You're seeing, yeah, in our faces. And what are we ready to tell them?
Either guys, if you've never known before that the Thegitstwins are also makeup artists. Kama huku unajua umejua sasa.
Yes, we are makeup artists, and this is the beginning of our journey.
Yes.
Yeah, and we're very excited to do this.
And start this project, like
Yeah,
all things to do with makeup
so guys, we thought we should share this.
with you.
Yes.
And actually, we don't know how to let it out. Yeah, how we are going to say it.
Yeah.
But hope you will understand.
Yes. So we did what? We sat some time and we came up with this thing, like
We have been
tumekuwa-
thinking
yeah,
about it for a long time, such a long time. But now,
tumeamua ni kusonga kasonge.
Tumeamua.
Yes.
Like, you know, guys usually say like, I'll start something.
Yes.
Like, kila siku nasema
Nitaanza hii
business fulani mahali. Nitafanya nini? Like,
You
keep
just
on-
procrastinate
Yes.
every time.
and that's not good. Like,
Yes.
you postpone until when? If you, like you say, unaweza kuwa unasema you don't have some things, sasa ndo maana you won't start something, but that's not good.
So guys, today we want to tell you something that you can start your own thing. It can be a business, it can be work, it can be anything.
Yes.
You just start with what you have.
Work
You don't
with
yes
what you
work
have.
with what you have. You
Don't
don't have
have
to put a lot of
Effort,
money,
like,
effort.
yeah. Now maybe you don't have that kind
Yeah.
of money to start that thing, that like that instant.
Yes.
So you'll try to work with what you have.
Yes.
Alafu hizo zingine
Zinakuja tu pole pole. Yeah.
pole mtapatania mbele.
So if you're someone who wants to start a business, or you want to start this, what do you call it, makeup artistry, you just start there down with things you have. Even you, for example, there are some people who are booking makeup kits,
Yeah.
because they don't have their own makeup kits.
And that's
Yeah.
a good start.
Yes, you just borrow, you just do the work you want to do, and the money you get from that maybe gig, you just start something small. Maybe you can just start buying some products, buying makeup toolkits. You see, it's not a must you have everything.
Yes.
So in our case today, guys, we are here to kupea uvumilivu.
And
Kwa
share with
kuwa
you guys.
uvumilivu
Mbivu.
ati ula mbivu. Mnaona Kiswahili? Kiswahili
What is
kitukuze.
this?
Mvumulivu hula mbivu. Hula mbichi or hula what? Guys.
I don't know.
Just comment down the comment section and tell us
What
that
you
methali. Hiyo methali inaendanga aje?
Yes.
Magwiji wa Kiswahili, you can try and relate with us. And tell us, yeah.
Yes.
What I meant to say is that persistence
Is the key
to success. Yeah. So you just need persistent, you just need small things. Then you grow yourself to be someone big. Yeah, that's it.
Bella in front of you today and share with you our journey, how we start. This is our start, and
You'll be seeing us
like
as we grow.
we were doing some things like kidogo too, but now we are going to jump in with both feet.
Yes.
Inside.
So guys, as you can see, we have already done our first bit, full one, and you can try and rate us and tell us what do you think about it.
Yes.
And in the upcoming days, you'll be seeing more and more, and you can tell them about our Instagram page.
Yeah, we have opened an Instagram page.
Yeah.
It's called Contour by Thegitstwins.
Yeah.
That contour, if you know, you know. Contour by Thegitstwins. Just make sure you go
Contour
on
Queens.
Yeah.
Contour Queens
Yes.
by Thegitstwins.
Yes. Sorry. Yes. You can go there and follow us on Instagram so that you can get our daily posts about makeup and artistry, and we'll also be sharing with you guys what type of makeup artistry we'll be
Doing.
focusing on. Yeah.
You'll get to see more of this in the page.
Yes.
Yeah. And we started this journey by just coming up with some points about this makeup, researching. We have gone to different pages, that is e.g. like Pinterest. We have IG pages, there's a makeup, Facebook, yeah, all over. Even in the Google, we have just tried to research about makeup. And as we go on, we'll be researching more and more.
The key is keep on practicing until you become perfect.
Yes. So that's basically it. We did research, then we noted our points, what to do, what we're not supposed to do. And now, guys, we are ready for our purchasing products and kits journey. And guys, I think we should share them, or we'll share them what we're going to purchase.
Yes.
We share with them.
We'll share with them that when that time comes.
Yeah. So it's a long journey, and you'll be seeing episodes of this journey as we go on, and all we need is your support, guys.
Yes.
Maybe there's someone there out who wants a photo shoot, makeup for photo shoot, for baby showers,
Yes.
for weddings,
Baby bump.
yeah,
Yes.
for any event,
Bridal team.
yeah,
For our shows. Every like kila kitu.
kila
Yeah, set.
kitu.
Just holler us. Yeah. Just go on our page at Contour by Thegitstwins on Instagram. We'll leave our handles, all our handles, be it the phone number, Facebook, like, and you'll be able to contact us.
Also, they can comment in the comment section
Of what you
Yeah.
think.
Yeah, just DM. We'll leave all our social handles there, and you just DM.
DM us.
Yeah.
Have something
Going
cooking.
on.
Something cooking there.
Yeah, we'll be very happy to work with different clients from different areas. We are ready
Yes.
for that. Yeah, all we need is just your support. Yeah. That's basically it.
Yeah.
This idea so that you can be able to grow and grow and grow and do more. And also, guys, will get to interact with other makeup artists and get to learn more from them. Cindy?
Yes.
Yeah. So our journey will be sharing with you kidogo kidogo hapa na pale, but more itakuwa pale Instagram.
Yes.
It's the main business platform. Yeah.
In short, like, we are trying to launch this online.
Yeah.
So that you guys can get to know more about the things that you are planning, the projects that you are planning to do.
Yeah. Is there anything else you can tell me?
I don't think so. And it will just go there and check out the Thegitstwins and please support us there. Ukienda hapo pale kwa Contour by Thegitstwins. Make
Contour
sure you
Queens.
follow us.
Yeah.
Yes, Contour Queens by Thegitstwins.
Contour Queens by Thegitstwins.
Ensure you
And the word
follow
suggests
us.
what will be done. Eh?
Yes.
We'll be doing what? Flawless makeup. Perfect. So guys, we'll be learning more and more, and all we expect from you is support. Yeah. And with time, everything is going to be successful. Yeah. So if you're planning to start something, just put more effort on research.
Yes, don't go jump.
Yeah. Hakuna any funds, you can try and look for something little, just purchase kidogo kidogo, and you'll get where you want to get. Still,
Yes.
where you want to be. Yeah.
So guys, that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
Hope so tujua hapo sana na kuongea, and hope so you love this video.
Yes.
And give us a thumbs up.
And support us.
Yes, and enda to subscribe pale. Just hit the red button and subscribe to the Thegitstwins kwa vitu moto moto.
By the way, tufike 2k subscribers guys, tumebakisha like 300. Yeah, tumebakisha 300. Now by the time you're watching this video, make sure tumefika ngapi? 2k subscribers. Yeah. That's basically it. And so guys, that's it for today's video.
So guys, our post notification shout out today goes to
Drum rolls.
all our fans watching us out there. We thank you so much. Keep up with the same spirit. We appreciate it. We do not take it for granted.
Continue supporting us and
Yes.
sharing our videos, and most all subscribing
Yes.
to our channel.
See
So
you.
guys, see you in our next vlog. We love you.